Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel formulas lesson number 35. In these days we are talking about this the beautiful Vlookup function, and today is the part 4 of the Vlookup, and I'm going to teach you today about how to dealing with approximate values, right? Because when you work in your day-to-day work, you may have situations like to do the looking up of the values between tables when there are no any unique situations. Examples, when you calculate commissions for the sales, because sales values may come within a range, right? So we have a table here. In this table we have the salesperson and sales values, and also we want to and we have the commission percentage. That is what we need to get using the Vlookup approximate value option, and this is our commission table. So if you really look at this, you can see the sales lower, commission percentage, and the definition of the limits. 0 is the lowest value. Between 0 to 5,000 the commission will be a 0%. Between 5,000 to 10,000, including this 5,000, right, 2%. So like that. About 25,000 and above, it will be 10%. And then we have our sales values. Peter, 4,999. So likewise, the sales value will come based on their sales. It is not always 5,000. It is not always 10,000. So therefore, this Vlookup function is really handy. Rather than using if function, it is very easy to use the Vlookup function to get the approximate get the percentage of the commission based on the approximate value. So we'll see how we can do that. Let's start with our Vlookup function equal Vlookup, and also I just wanted to highlight what is this V. V means vertical, actually vertical lookup, because our most of the tables are in vertical, no? Almost 100% our day-to-day work we are doing with vertical tables. So that is what is V means. Vlookup means vertical lookup. Okay, right. So we started our formula Vlookup, open brackets. We want to search the sales value, right, comma, and select the commission table range from sales lower to commission percentage, and make it absolute by clicking F4, then comma, right, under which column we have the commission percentage, column number 2 here, column number 2. So put 2 and comma. Now after you putting a comma, you can see two options: approximate match, exact match. So then don't select exact match, or don't put 0 there, right? Select true approximate match, right? Double click on it and then close bracket and hit enter. Now you can see 0%. Why? It is less than 5,000, no commission. Now let's copy this formula. 11,000, it should be here, that means 4%. 22,000, it should be here, that means 8%. 35,000 means above 25,000, so that means 10%. 17,500 means between 15 to 20, that means 6%. Right, my friends. Now let me do a quick change here. I selected true, but I'm going to remove that and also remove the comma. Now I just only define which column I have the commission percentage and hit enter. See, it's working. Copy the formula, no changes. You can see I haven't indicated the true or false, but it's working. Alright, another scenario. Let's say for some reason the sales values goes negative, maybe due to debit notes or credit notes. I can't remember whatever the terminology there. Let's say it's going to be -1000. Now what will happen? The answer will be unidentified, because we haven't defined in our commission table what will happen if the value is minus. So therefore what you can do is you can define your commission table based on your requirement. Let's say if you want to put the lower value like -99999, then it will work. So likewise you can define whatever the commission tables you want to have and combine with this Vlookup approximate options. Alright friends, so I hope this is helpful to you, and looking forward to meet you with another Vlookup session with the lesson number 36. Please feel free to share as much as possible to multiply the knowledge. Thank you. God bless you all.